Alright guys, another episode of spray painting the charge pipe. So let's get to it. So you guys can see that it is got that black coating. So, and I'm actually gonna prime it down. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna use for primer. I am gonna use the engine animal primer from Duplicar with ceramic. So this thing can withstand up to 500 degrees, resistance to oil and fluids, and ideal for engine blocks and accessories. So really key component. I'm actually gonna spray this on the top mount intercooler as well. Now I'm not gonna make the top mount intercooler a different color, so I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. But for this charge pipe, it's definitely gonna be blue, like that. Here, let me go grab it. The metal cast anodized coating, so color coat. So it is also heat resistance as well. That's what it says right here. It says apply over chrome, shiny metal, or metal cast base coat, heat resistant. So, all right. So we're gonna go ahead and prime this thing down. I'm actually gonna get my cardboard. You're gonna do it in the sun. I want to make sure you guys can actually see this. Matter of fact, I'm gonna reverse the camera. Alright. The other camera on the phone is a lot better. I just picked up my GoPro, but obviously my wife forgot the SD card, and also it's not charged, so I'm not gonna mess around with the GoPro. Alright, remember, I'm using these two. Whoa. I think you guys can see this. Oh. Definitely gonna let that dry. Pause this video. Back at it again. make sure light coats looks even, so I don't have to keep doing this. All right, looks pretty good. Time to do some blue. Trying to get this excess off here. Oh, I actually do like this blue a lot. Spray paint. Guess what? The wife didn't like that good smell. I don't mind it. Telling you guys it's not the best spray paint job ever. Like I said, I'm not a professional. But I'm gonna pause this and let it soak up in the sun. Alright, let's see what this thing looks like. So like I said, it's not the best paint job. I do like the color blue though. I do like this color. Looks pretty good.